How to create a Gmail account without a phone number in 2025. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Play Store application and then click on this profile icon that you see in the top right corner. Then from here, you need to select this option. You need to click on this and scroll down. Then click on Add another account. You need to click on this. As soon as you click on it, you will be asked for permission. You need to grant that permission, and after that you need to click on this option Create Account. Then here you need to select according to your requirement. Here I am creating this account for personal use, so I will select this option. Here you need to enter your first name, and below that you need to enter your surname or last name and then click on Next. After carefully clicking on the Next button, you will then need to precisely enter your complete date of birth in the designated field here, and subsequently, you will need to carefully select your appropriate gender from the available options. Following this important selection, you should proceed to click on Next once more. Immediately upon clicking on Next, you will then be prompted to either carefully select an existing username or thoughtfully enter a brand new unique username in this specific area. And after that, you need to click on Next. Here, you need to enter your password. After entering the password, you need to click on Next. As soon as you click on Next, your account will be created without a phone number. Now, this particular moment, this specific instance we are currently observing represents a significant point of interest or a crucial development that warrants our immediate and undivided attention. It is something that demands careful consideration and thorough examination due to its inherent importance and potential implications, requiring us to delve deeper into its various facets and ramifications to fully comprehend its scope and impact on the broader context.